Hello everyone, welcome and welcome back to Mercy Beauty of Styles channel. Today guys, I'm going to share with you a dining room decor idea. Normally when I'm decorating my dining room, I always put apart everything that I need so I don't do some back and forth. And guys, I have some great idea decor for you for this season. And you know, it's Thanksgiving coming up soon. We are in fall season. As I mentioned, guys, I'm so excited. So I'm doing fall decor series throughout this month, and I think I can share with you guys. If you need some ideas, you come into the right place. For those of you that new here, my name is Mercy. I hope you guys doing well today, and I'm going to start by decorating the dining table. And guys, I did a dining table last week. For some reason the video didn't upload, but thank God I had some short and I post them up there. And guys, if you're a home decor lover, you want to decorate your home without spending too much money, this video can be very useful to you. I love to decorate my home, but I don't like to break my bank. And I can bring you some ideas, guys, how to make your home look luxuriously expensive without spending too much money. And guys, those plates I thrifted a while ago. They are so beautiful. I think they are 11 inches. I'm not sure, but they're not chargers. They are like plate that you can eat on, so that's really nice. And those one I get them from Dollar Tree a while back, and I always bring them back every year, and I really love them. And for this particular table setting, guys, I want a lower centerpiece. I don't want it to be too high, as I always do. For this one, I'm going to use my marigold. Guys, I'm so in love with those marigold. I don't know if they are cut flowers, but me, I love them. I planted them a while ago, and I was expecting to bloom for fall. Low maintenance. Only cost me 24 cents and some love, plus some love. As you can see, guys, they are so beautiful. I was able to make a nice, beautiful centerpiece with them.
I used to stay up all night trying to find my place, chasing neon lights and looking for some kind of trace to lead me out of darkness. Give me a little faith, something to make me stronger, someone who could light the way. Then you came to me and you gave me reason. I almost can't believe it. Every time we touch, I feel at home. There's no way I'd ever let you go. When you put your hands in mine, I know we're gonna be alright. I don't know what you do to me, but I feel like I am.
Okay guys, this is the finished look. Let me know down below what do you think, if you like it. If you do, don't forget to give me a big thumbs up and share the love with your friend and family. Don't forget to leave me a comment. I would love to hear from you.
You say take me on a treasure hunt. I long for something new. Have you heard the fairies when they sing and dance? Oh, I wish it was me every night. When I close my eyes, I see
Okay guys, that's the end of the video, and thank you so much for taking your time watching it today. I love you all, and I'll see you on my next one. Bye.